Hi guys, my name is Jeffy and today I'll be doing a review of Cooler Master C10L RGB controller. I'll also be giving away the RGB controller along with two RGB fans and RGB splitter, so stay tuned till the end of the video for more information. Having said that, let's get started. This is a budget controller and you can get this controller in Amazon for a price of around 600 rupees. This is the best alternative out there for the motherboards without an RGB header. It is pretty simple to use and it does not require any software to control. Also easy to connect to your system as well. And now I'll be showing you guys how to connect the RGB controller, also its functions. So to connect the RGB controller, first take the 4-pin connector which comes along with the RGB controller and then connect it to the controller itself like this. Once done with that, take the Molex connector provided with the RGB controller kit and connect it to the power supply. So this is the power supply Molex connector. So let me just go ahead and connect that. Alright, that's done. Now there is a 2-pin connector which you should connect it to the RGB controller itself like this. So now let's go ahead and connect the RGB controller to the RGB fan. For that, all you need to do is connect the 4-pin connectors and make sure that you're aligning the arrow marks correctly. So as you can see, there are arrow marks here on the fan and the controller. So align them correctly. Once you have done that, the RGB fan will light up. So now for the RGB fan to run, you will have to connect the 3-pin connector which is provided with the RGB fan itself. And there you go. I hope the video was helpful for you guys, and if you want to win the RGB controller, fans and an RGB splitter, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and comment down below. I'll be picking a random winner and the items will be sent to them directly. This is Jeffy and I'll see you guys in the next video.